Nikhil, please log in again. Mamata and Nikhil, please log in again. Okay, anyways, yeah. So four kinds of alignments: left, right, center, and justify. What is the default alignment? Left alignment is the default alignment. And how can you make changes in any alignments? Just click on this arrow mark. You will get a dialog box. See here, alignment. So if you want your paragraph at starting itself to be justified, just click on that. Just click on that and enter. So that what happens is, before itself, whenever you type it, your paragraph will be justified automatically without selecting it before. Okay. So if you want to align it right, or if you want to align it left, you can. Usually left is the default alignment. Next, there are some tab stops. What are they? Left tab, right tab, center tab, and also indentation are also there. Left indent, right indent, first line indent, and hanging indent. I think we have discussed regarding these four. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hanging indent, left indent, right indent. I think we have discussed already. Okay. And what is the difference between line spacing and paragraph spacing also we discussed. So if I type something, so see here, the space between each word is called as line spacing, and paragraph spacing is the space between each line. See here. So if I'm increasing or decreasing, what is happening? Sorry, I'm using indentation. I'm sorry. Spacing, yeah. See here, I've selected this text and I went for this. I went for line spacing, and now before and after. Okay, so space between each line is called as line spacing, and space between two paragraphs is called as paragraph spacing. And if you want to select them, just click on this option and go for line spacing options, then you can set it. Okay. Next, what are headers and footers? Headers are used for headings, whereas footers are used for usually for page numbers. Okay, where that it will be, go to insert tab. See here, header is there, and you will have a templates. See here, these are inbuilt templates, headers. Okay, if you want to select a template, you can use. Suppose if there are 3 columns, you can use this. I have for your notes, I have used which one I have used? Not the brown one. This one I used. Okay, so that I can edit it. I can edit and I can make it. Okay, just enter it, and also enter the page number or unit number if you want here. Okay, and automatically even you will have footer also you will get. So footer you can enter. If you want the design, go to footer and select. Okay. Got it. So headers are used for heading purposes, or any page numbers also you can keep at top of the page. Some you will have, not all the books you will have. Most of the page numbers will be at the bottom, means at footer. Okay. And where are this header and footer present? In insert tab, in header and footer group. Got it? Header and footer. And there are templates, we can choose anyone. Can we insert pictures in the header or footer? Can anyone answer? Can anyone answer? Can we insert pictures in the header or footer? Kiriti?
Sir. Sir?
In the header footer, can we insert pictures in header or footer?
Yes, sir. I'm.
You are? Hello?
1 minute, sir.
Sure.
No, sir.
No? Okay.
Last time you have sent some notes in that I didn't found any pictures in headers or footers.
Last time I told, did I said regarding header and footer for you people?
No, sir. You have sent some notes for us, no, sir.
I have inserted any picture in that, but I am asking, can we insert or not? Is it possible to insert an image or a picture
Yes.
as a footer or as a header? That's what my question is.
We can add images for header, sir. I don't have any idea for footer, sir.
Okay. Aditya want to answer? Tell Aditya.
Sir, footer I also don't know, sir.
You also don't know. Okay, Varshini.
No, sir. Footer, no. Header, yes.
Okay, but both places we can insert an image, but the image should be very small one. We cannot insert a huge image, but a very small one. If you see your textbook, there is one learning computers with KIPS. Okay, that they have not typed. They have used that symbol. What you say? Logo. That logo they have used. So we can use pictures in both ways. Okay. Understood, everyone? We can insert pictures in header and as well as footer. Next, I told regarding page breaks and section breaks. Okay. So what is a page break and what is a section break? Page breaks are those where we can insert break between one page or dividing one page into two. Okay. So if you don't want header and footer, what you can do? Go to insert tab, click on remove header, and if you don't want footer, go to footer tab, remove footer. Okay. So if I want to break this page into two, what I have to do is go to layout, just click on break. Okay, so next page means wherever you insert the cursor, from there it will go to the next page. Have you seen? That is the use of breaks. Okay, so if you don't want, just press Ctrl Z and it will It will be merged into one. Sure. Page breaks or breaks. Page breaks and section breaks. Why we will use mostly if you want to divide one page into many, then we will use this breaks. Okay, so in order to do that, place the cursor wherever you want to break the page, then go to layout tab and click on break. And if you want next page or continuous page, definitely it will go for the next one. Okay, from here, if I want only odd page or even page, what I can do is go to break even page, means the text will go to even page. What about the odd page? It will be empty. Odd page will be empty. See here, 3 is not there. Directly it came 4. Why? Because I entered even. Now let us go for odd page. So 2 is here. I am placing the cursor here. Go to break, odd page. So 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, wherever I placed, I am getting that. Because I missed before third page, now I am getting. So if you want even page or odd page, just go to breaks and select this section breaks. Okay. And what is this text wrapping? I discussed before also. What is text wrapping? Inserting images in between the text. That is called as text wrapping. Okay. Inserting images in between is called as text wrapping. Next. Okay, ma. Next, see here, character formatting or will be in home tab. So what is this called as? Font style, font size, bold, italic, underline. Bold is for making your fonts bold. Italic is for making the text a little bit thin and to slantly towards right. And underline, it will underline the word. And this is called as strike through. Superscript and subscript. If you want to enter a number above the word, then you have to use superscript. Below the word, subscript. Okay. And what is this? What are these two used for? One is for increase font size and one is for decrease font size. And next, change case. Can anyone answer? Abdullah, what is change case? Abdullah.
Sir.
What is change case? Can anyone answer? Boys. Can any boy answer? Or an abbail unte answer chestara other than Krishna Kiriti and Satvik. Abdullah, ఏం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నారా? కూర్చొని గేమ్స్ ఆడుకోకపోతే ఇవి చేయొచ్చు కదా. ఓకే, what is change case? What is change case? Here after increase font size and decrease font size, here change case is there. What is the use of it? Change case. Let boys answer, ma. If boys are not there here in the group, then I will consider all as girls and then I will ask. Other than Krishna Kiriti and Satvik. Other than you two, any other can answer. What is the use of change case? I gave a hint also. Okay, Himaja, Turn on your mic, answer.
Sir, for new requirements or modify the existing requirement.
We will use change case. Okay. How many kind of change cases are there?
Sir, no idea.
5 types.
Oh,
Yes, Badri. Answer.
I
Imaja, you can turn off your mic, ma. Huh?
the change case will change the selected set.
Sentence case will change the selected case to what? Kiriti. Kiriti, are you there?
Sir,
Can you tell me what is sentence case?
sir means we need to exactly how a sentence, like capitalizing the first words in that sentence, or
Right. How we start a sentence. How we start a sentence. If we want a sentence with capital letter and other small letters, then we will use this sentence case, like how we normally use for writing. Okay. Wherever required, we will use. Okay, Abdullah, what is lower case? Abdullah, you only told sir, can I? What is lower case? Kavya, can you answer? Divya Lakshmi. Divya Lakshmi. What is lower case? In the question itself, answer is there, ma. Harshita.
sir, can I try?
Yes, Satvik, please tell.
Sir, smaller alphabet means ABCD smaller. No, we can say
Yeah.
that they are lowercase.
What it will do? What if we select lowercase? What it will do?
It will display downwards, sir. Means
It will
It
turn
will
into
change
capital
all the
letters.
words to. It will change all
Capital
the
letters.
words to.
small letters. Means
Lowercase
small
will
alphabet.
change to capital letters. Huh?
No, sir,
Small
small
letters.
letters.
It will change to small
Small
letters.
letters.
Okay. What about uppercase?
Uppercase means I don't know how to say, sir. Sir,
You don't know how to say. Then tell in Telugu, no problem.
తెలుగులో కూడా రాదు సార్ అది
Uppercase ఏం చేస్తుంది?
మామూలు ఆల్ఫాబెట్ సార్ అది జస్ట్ స్మాలర్
Uppercase all words ని uppercase లో చేంజ్ చేస్తుందమ్మా. సింపుల్. ఓకే.
అది
లోయర్
సార్
కేస్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? అన్ని స్మాల్ లెటర్స్.
ఎలా చెప్పాలో తెలియలేదు సార్ నాకు.
చెప్పేదే ఉందా? అప్పర్ కేస్ all will be changed to whatever the sentences you have typed. Everything will be changed to capital letters, and lower case everything will be changed to lower case letters. Okay. Now Khurshid,
sir.
are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is capitalize each word? I made the
Sir.
change and I am presenting you also.
Every letter is in the capital letter. Means
Every first letter of your word will
capital
be
letter.
capital letter. Okay, every first letter in that sentence, okay, of that word will be in capital letter. Okay, next toggle case. My favorite, Om Pranav. Om Pranav. టాగుల్ కేస్ ఏం చేస్తుంది?
Sir, all the letters will be in normal, sir.
All the letters will be in?
Normal size.
No, the first letter will be changed to small letter and others will be to capitals. That is
Okay.
toggle case. Okay? First letter
sir.
of a word, like capitalize each word ki opposite anamata toggle case. Capitalize each word lo em avutadi? The first word will be turned into capital if it is in small. Okay, whereas toggle case first ganaka capital unte danni small chesi migitha anni words capital చేస్తుంది. All the words will be changed. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. And next, Navdeep.
Sir,
How can I insert an image or a shape? How can I do it? How can I insert a picture or a shape? We discussed this already. Rajdeep. Rajdeep. Firasat.
sir,
Can you please explain how can we insert a picture in a word
no, sir.
or a symbol? Why? నిద్రపోతున్నావు సార్ చెప్పినప్పుడు. బాబు ఈవిల్ లవర్ గారు మీరు చెప్పండి.
Sir.
Can you
Insert.
explain how can you insert a image or a symbol in a word document?
Insert tab look వెళ్ళాలి sir.
Go to insert tab and then
Clip art.
clip art is not available in 2019 version. Tell my version.
Picture.
Okay, if I want to insert a picture and then
We should open pictures and we should copy online pictures, or if we
so
have
if you
any
want
picture
a
we can.
picture from a laptop or a computer, you can select this device, and if you want from it online pictures, just select from online.
Online picture.
Okay, thank you. Good. Next, Vishwa Sai Teja. Vishwa Sai Teja.
Sir,
So if I want the picture to be cropped, అంటే సైజ్ కనుక నేను ఈక్వల్ గా ఇంక్రీజ్ గానీ డిక్రీజ్ గానీ చేయాలంటే విచ్ హ్యాండిల్ ఐ షుడ్ యూస్?
And to drag the picture, sir.
డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ కరెక్టే, కానీ నేను ఈక్వల్ గా నేను ఇంక్రీజ్ అవ్వాలంటున్నాను. సో ఇది చేయమంటావా? ఐ థింక్ యూ కెన్ సి, షుడ్ ఐ యూస్ దిస్ సైడ్ హ్యాండిల్స్ ఆర్ షుడ్ ఐ యూస్ కార్నర్ హ్యాండిల్స్?
Corner, sir. Corner handles.
Right, corner handle. If you use this corner handle, the size of a picture will be cropped equally. Okay. And what happens if I use this side handles? This question to who is this? Imtiaz? Nazma? Zubair. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so what happens if I use side handles?
it will increase, sir.
Of course it will increase, but how it will increase?
This right drop this increase, sir.
కరెక్టేనా? క్వశ్చన్ అర్థం చేసుకో. నేను సైడ్ హ్యాండిల్స్ కనుక యూస్ చేస్తే ఇప్పుడు నేను కార్నర్ అనుకో డయాగ్నల్లీ అంటే ఈక్వల్ గా సైజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుందని చెప్తున్నాను. కానీ ఇదిగో ఇటు రైట్ హ్యాండిల్ కానీ లేదా బాటమ్ హ్యాండిల్ కానీ అంటే కార్నర్ హ్యాండిల్స్ కాకుండా సైడ్ హ్యాండిల్స్ కనుక యూస్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్?
It will last, sir.
అరే డయాగ్నల్ గా చేసినా ఎన్లార్జ్ అవుతుందిరా. బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ యూజింగ్ ది సైడ్ హ్యాండిల్స్? ఎస్ హేమ ఫణీంద్ర కౌశిక్, ఆన్సర్.
The picture can be increases, sir.
అమ్మా పాడన్.
A పిక్చర్ హారిజంటల్ కానీ వర్టికల్ గా కానీ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది.
Yes, either the length or the breadth will be increased. Okay. ఇది breadth increase అవుతుంది, ఇది length increase అవుతుంది. ఓకే. సో సైడ్ హ్యాండిల్స్ కనుక యూజ్ చేస్తే ఏదో వన్ సైడ్ ఇది అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఆల్ సైడ్ ఇట్ వోంట్. బట్ వేరస్ కార్నర్ బోత్ లెంత్ అండ్ బ్రెడ్త్ విల్ బి ఇంక్రీస్డ్. చూడండి. Okay, both breadth and length will be increased. But if I am using this handle, only one side the image will increase. Observe చేశారా ఇప్పుడు? కిందకే వస్తుంది, సైడ్ ఏం పెరగట్లేదు. ఇది కూడా అంతే, ఇది ఒక సైడే పెరుగుతుంది, కిందకి ఏం రావట్లేదు. బట్ if I am using both sides, it is increasing equally. Next, Shreya.
Sir,
If I want to rotate the picture, what I have to do, ma'am?
click on the circle up of that, sir, up of the image.
Arrow. Okay, if I click on arrow, what I can do? I can rotate the image.
the image.
Okay, I can rotate like this. Hope you people are seeing it. Yes, Satvik, please ask.
Sir, you said now there are 5 cases: toggle case, uppercase, lowercase, and sentence case. What is the 5th case, sir?
Sentence case.
Not sentence, sir. Another.
Sentence case, uppercase, lowercase, then capitalize each word.
Sir, capitalize each word means?
Wherever the first sentence, it will turn to, suppose, see here. Hope you are following this. See here. I am increasing the text size so that you people can easily see it. So here, if you observe here, in every E is small. Okay. And one also O is small. So if I am selecting that, capitalize each word. See what happened? First letter of the word change it to capital, whereas remaining are into small letters. Okay. Whereas sentence case, only the first letter of that particular paragraph will be capital and rest will be small. See here. Okay. అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది సార్. ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే, గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్ మనం ఇమేజెస్ పెడుతున్నాం నాన్న, బట్ కెన్ ఐ ఎంటర్ టెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ టు దట్? ఐ థింక్ ఐ హావెంట్ డిస్కస్డ్ దిస్, బట్ ఐమ్ ఆస్కింగ్, కెన్ ఎనీవన్ టెల్? ఇట్లా చక్కగా పెట్టేసాను. కెన్ ఐ ఎంటర్ టెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ టు దిస్?
Yes, sir, we can enter.
Right, we can enter, but how?
We have to click inside that picture, sir, so that we can enter.
Okay. So if you want to insert, of course you can. Okay. Or else see here. So if you want to enter text inside the image, it is possible. So I'll decrease this. Okay, this is how you enter text into the image. Just click on that A. Okay, whatever you want, or if you want a text box, you can use this and you can enter. See here. Okay, If you don't want to use the effects one, you can use this. Got it? So even this is used for your revise kind of thing. And tomorrow we will be discussing mail match. So anyone have doubts till now? Let me know.
Sir?
Yes.